Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select experience levels on the Band application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and go to the third section, the preferences, and here you can find the experience level. Click that, and here you can select three options: the beginner, the intermediate, or the expert. For example, I use the beginner, but if you want to select the intermediate, for example, just click that and click the Done button at the lower side of the screen, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.